Good morning. My name is John Edison Garcia Peñalosa. I am 34 years old and I am in B1 place upper intermediate course. If you be doing my presentation about violent video when and in days should be banned. And choose the topic because in the relevant in today's digital era, your video when plays a significant role in children and teenager lives. I would like to express the benefits and potential rise of video games, include their impact on mental health, social behavior, and development. Understand this effect is important for parents, teachers, and young people. Firstly, I strongly believe that video games should be banned. I will explain what intent it should be like this. When a child is exposed to violent scenarios in genius, this may lead to receive sensitivity to real world violence and increased aggressive behavior. In my buffing, excessive winning can result in the time spent on real interaction and academic interest, leading to poor social skill and lower grades. Also, at exit Concord, video can lead to added behavior, negatively impacted mental get an increased stress level, anxiety and depression. Lastly, using video game, especially during live war, can damage the sleep routine, resulting in discrete quality one increasing aggressive thought and behavior in children and adolescents. On the other hand, young play in moderation and in appropriate context. Video games can give enjoyment and serve as a general recreational activity for adolescents. They offer a way to relax and internal use also give creativity. Young can be responsible green habit. Video game can be a positive part and a balanced lifestyle. Beyond entertainment, certain video games contribute to the development and valuable skill strategy-based game improve planning and decision making abilities, while multiplayer game encourage teamwork and collaboration. Additional gaze and recover precision and coordination help refine motor skill. In conclusion, I am absolutely convinced that banning video games, especially towards violent or acidic, can be beneficial for society, particularly for young people. Video games have been linked to increased aggression and negative social and academic outcomes. Also, excessive game other line to push academic performance and reduce physical activity, contributing to the mental and physical health problems. Another major concern is the addiction nature of video games. Many gamers are designed to keep people playing for excessive hours, which can result in compulsive gaming habit and even gaming addiction. This addiction can lead to anxiety, depression, and social isolation, affecting a person's well-being. I want to thank everyone for your attention. I hope the discussion has provided valuable points on the topic. Whether we agree or disagree, it is important to consider the impact of video games on kids and teenagers. One, Wayne, thank you for your time, and I appreciate the opportunity you share this with you. Had a good day. Thank you.